My company is Chaintech and we operating under the brand of Energo Solar and we do the installation of the photovoltaic systems in Czech Republic. Well, we choose the AIKO because it's the leader of the back contact panels and we know what the benefits it brings to the customers. So if we compare to the other modules, we see the AIKO modules as the best. There was one, the customer is saying that the ABC panels it's starting to produce even earlier in the morning until the late of the evening. At the time where everybody is looking for the most efficiency, so we're looking also on the power per watts and also looking on the partial shading, which is I would say the best feature what we recognized. If you ask me how I imagine 4.0 industry, I would say see the AIKO company, see the AIKO production.